Is Aerodrome Finance the next 100x crypto gem? What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're talking about a cryptocurrency project that is not a meme coin. We usually cover 80 to 90% on this channel meme coins because those are the most funnest coins to invest in. Those are the ones that we see the most massive gains. However, there's time where we bring up a utility token like buying Bitcoin, like buying CRO, and today also ICP. Shout out to ICP. And now today we're talking about this gem, Aerodrome Finance, that has been absolutely pumping. All right, up 3% on the day, on the week up 69%, and on the month up 769%. Now the crazy thing is, for a utility token that is not a meme to be up 700%, that means there's something there. However, guys, I do want to make a massive disclaimer: is we might see some price corrections before we see our next launch off. But obviously, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence. I'm not gonna tell you when to buy. I'm not gonna tell you when to exit. That's for you to decide. For me, however, I'm just by looking at the chart, and I haven't done a full deep dive here, is we're probably gonna, if I was gonna enter, I'd probably try to enter on the 50-cent mark, because it looks like that was like or even the 40-cent mark, because that looks like it is the new resistance. But you know what, if it was 35, 30, 40, yeah, I think it could bounce to 50 cents before it hits $1, and that might be a great entry point. However, guys, some quick investor tips. If you're in a project for the long term, it really doesn't matter what price you buy it in at, because the reality is if we bought it at 75 cents today and it hits $10 a year from now, would it really matter if we got it 50 cents or 75? Probably not. However, if we're trying to buy at 75 cents for the sole purpose of selling it when it hits $1.50, you might want to time your entry just so you can make the most of your profit. Aero's going to skyrocket, super bullish, $248 million TVL. Aero, I need more. People are generally bullish on this project. Now, guys, in terms of market cap, very small market cap. We're sitting at $185 million, which sounds insane to say out loud, but it's pretty nuts. In terms of volume, $14 million in the past 24 hours, and this is on a red day, which is insane. Okay, circulating supply, 160 million tokens, so it's not like trillions and billions of tokens. So that's obviously why we're seeing a price not in like the 0.00001, obviously, which is solid to see. But what is this project, right? What is this project before we ape into it? Aero Finance is the next generation of AMM designed to serve base central liquidity hub, combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, vote lock governance model, and a friendly user experience. Aerodrome inherits the latest features from Velodrome V2. Okay, so it has a solid base, right? The central trading and liquidity marketplace on base, which is, it looks like its own smart chain, its own blockchain, right? So you could be trading and using liquidity. This is kind of like PancakeSwap, kind of like Uniswap, right? Something of that caliber, right? Designed to reward participants that enable the sustainable growth of the protocol. So this is incentivizing early investors, for traders, liquidity providers, protocols, Aero voters. This is the total value that has been locked, $277 million. Their annualized trading is $932 million. Annualized fees is $12 million. And active users, they have 31,000 active users. So it looks like it's just growing, all right? Looking to get in. They have an onboarding guide. And now let's go over to the Twitter news. So this is an awesome thing, right? Because anytime you want to buy a project, it's because you want to make money off it, right? So here's some of their LP rewards, okay? USDC, 288% APR. Insane. Wrapped ETH, 116%. APR. These are some crazy numbers, and this is an update from March 6th. The numbers obviously are going to change on a regular basis, but that's some insane numbers. Talking about insane numbers, they hit some crazy milestones. Aerodrome hits a new milestone over the last 7 days. Aerodrome has generated a record-breaking $1.4 million in rewards, fees, and incentives, surpassing all other DEXs and nearly doubling PancakeSwap. That's insane. That's a cumulative rewards, $1.4 million. That's double what PancakeSwap did. That's like what, 3 times what Uniswap did, a little bit more than 3 times. It's absolutely insane. There's something to be seen here in this project, guys, you know, especially the fact that, so it's kind of like the cake token, right? So it's obviously going to incentivize people for holding their native token. That's why we're going to see lots of liquidity locked, lots of people pairing in. This one could ape for the sake of just aping. Now, long-term bullishness. How bullish am I on this? Now, I'm not a base user. I don't use the base blockchain. But if we are going to see Spark and base, this can be a solid project. However, in my personal opinion, if I was going to ride this out, I would ride this out in a medium distance, meaning buy now, wait for the bull run, the middle of the bull run, when we see crazy pumps happening with like all of our favorite meme coins and Bitcoin and ETH hitting new all-time highs. and then we're gonna see all these other coins pump, that'll probably be the time to exit. I see the similar patterns will happen with Phantom, will happen with Solana, will happen at XRP. This would be a great ride. However, long-term bullishness on the project, I think if they continue to sustain just like Uniswap and just like PancakeSwap, this could be a long-term bullish project as well. So if you're more of a long-term investor, I still see some bright side here. However, guys, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.